route to Hong Kong. Stopping off. Oh yeah, sorry, but stopping off in Beijing, and to the one person watching this, which is probably Richard. Hey.
See you in a few hours.
See you in a few hours. Get some coffee from good old Starbucks.
Plastic straws.
Oh, it's been a while, hasn't it?
Oh yeah.
Oh god, it's like real peach.
Wait a bit.
Usually Starbucks is shit. We got our luggage, all of it, and most important thing was hydration, my favourite drink, and going to 7-Eleven to top up for our octopus. And now let's do the 1 hour journey home, Sammy.
Can't wait.
Day one, full day in Hong Kong. We are now heading to... Should we just eat lunch in town?
See what you want to eat.
Yeah, we're gonna go into Sai-Kung town. Gonna grab some food. And this is where we're living. 80s village. The Say village. Jensen always calls that the ruins.
Is it?
It is, right?
It is. Yes, I am.
In my ugly uniform.
We decided to catch Richard at work today. I love you, Richard. I love you too. I can't be rude because you're working.
Yeah, you can't.
So, okay, yeah. We are now in Mongkok, but decided to go visit one of our friends because her mom's just opened up a new shop in Jordan. So, we're gonna head to the MTR. I always forget how busy it is here.
Yeah, it's a weekend as well.
Yeah, you could call me filthy. 멀리에서 왔지. NYC Timberland 구두 입고 왔지. LAX touchdown. I ain't sleep in a beat. Sleep on a beach. 하나 모네가 도착했지. 난 아직 알지. I got a lot of things on my mind 말만 하지. You are the suckers playing games. I've been through it all. 지옥 같은 인생 put into a song. Stupid long. Get in the car. 지금 rodeo driving. Sonny we be riding. Top down, cruising down, freeway vibing, California.
Okay, after detouring with shopping, we're finally going to Gigi's after about like 2 hours of shopping. There's Gigi doing her job, feeling awkward. She's blanking me right now. This is her mom's new shop. This is my favorite SPF of all time. I use it like on a daily basis. It's really good. Yeah, she's working now. Finally saw her working. I've never seen you work ever.
I think this is like the first time Sam saw me like
In work mode. Yeah.
Hi Gary.
추운 날씨 피해 캘리 또 가봐 꿈을 꿔 I've been dreaming about this ever since day one I was young 어렸을 때부터
Well, Eugene, if you ever find this video, which you probably will never find this video, we're trying out your favorite milk tea soap.
Very peanut.
Very peanutty. It's nice, good. Okay, not bad, not bad. I accept your recommendations now.
I like the videos of it.
Nice. Thanks, Huge, for the recommendation. And if you'll be my second subscriber.
나 빼고 모두가 잘 어울려 벌써 소저녁 술집엔 안 들려 다 괜찮아 보여 행복해 보여 나만 어지러운 건가 봐 바쁘게 지나가 해는 또 지나봐 내 마음의 꽃은 언제 필까 바쁘게 살지만 그냥 좀 쉬다가 신호등 안 온 불이 언제쯤 바뀌니 이내는 거
Yeah, because you're coming to yourself. Are we recording? Yes, we are. We're with Casey.
Mà dính không phải your angle should be when you saw the
Hold on.
the shop.
Wait, where's my finger? Wait, what? It's there. No. Oh, wait, no. We're finally in Hong Kong together. We are! Yay. With Katie's mom and auntie. Mom and auntie. And Sammy. in her mom's friend's restaurant. I don't know what it's called. I don't know what it's called either. It's like Good Eat Claypot. Good friend. Good friend. Good Taste Kitchen. Good Taste Kitchen. Yes, please. After a very, very full dinner,
Big dinner.
really big dinner, we are now going to take the Ding Ding, which is the tram, to Central, Zhongwan, and then take the Star Ferry to TST. And oh look, here it is, the tram! Oh wait, do we need to Badatong it?
Yep.
Okay. tram, it was freezing. It's freezing now. It's kind of cold. And now heading towards ferry terminal. It's like a long, we're just never ending walking. This whole trip is literally just been walking. Like, fitness trip. Like, look how far we have to walk. And then get on ferry to TST, then MTR, then minibus.
Like I wasn't expecting that dinner to be that
Much
dinner.
food, right? That was a lot of food. It was really nice.
That was a lot of food.
That was. Thank you, Auntie, for dinner.
Thank you.
Thank you. If you ever watch this video,
If Katie ever shows you this video, yes. Thank you for dinner.
thank you. Finally on the last leg of our journey. It's taken so long. No, me and Sammy worked out that in the past 24 hours we have been on a plane, taxi, an airport bus, a minibus, a train, a tram, a ferry, and a bus. An actual bus. And now we're finally going home. And I'm not going to see Rach because she's too tired. She's going home to sleep. Yeah. That's the first full day in Hong Kong.